released by Apple on September 22 this year. So 10 days ago, we will unbox this together with a new FineWoven case that replaces the old leather cases by Apple. First, let's open the device. This is so satisfying to hear. The natural titanium is probably the best looking color from this series. This is exclusively available for the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It looks beautiful. Look at this. Look at this beautiful titanium frame. It looks gorgeous. The button above the volume up and volume down buttons is a new action button replacing the old mute switch. This is a new button that is programmable and you can assign a set of certain actions. That's really nice. A programmable button similar to what we have in the Apple Watch Ultra. Nice. The new titanium frame makes the device lighter, yet the same durable, or even more according to Apple. Of course, every claim will be proved correct or false later down the road as we keep testing the device. And this is the new USB-C cable, the one that comes to charge your iPhone through the new USB-C port, replacing the old Lightning port that was available on the iPhone for so many years, since the iPhone 5. Alongside this, we have a set of paperwork, a SIM eject tool if you live outside the US, and of course, the well-known Apple sticker. This one's in white. Do you use the Apple stickers? Let me know down in the comment section. But of course, all we want to see is the beautiful device. Let's peel this screen protector off. Such a beautiful device. And the buttons are so tactile. That's one of the moments that every new iPhone owner is eagerly awaiting for. So satisfying. It's always nice having a brand new iPhone, and even if the unboxing experience is not the same as before, it's still a great one. Check the buttons again, so tactile. That's the new USB-C port that I've been talking to you about. Finally, this is here and supports fast charging speeds of up to USB-C 3.0. Not with this cable though, but you need to purchase a new one to enjoy these faster speeds. You see that the new cable is braided, so covered, in order to be more durable, just like the new MacBooks. It's not a USB-C to Lightning cable, it's rather a USB-C to USB-C cable. So nice to see this transition. Like that, yeah, so good. Now, let's try the new FineWoven case. Apple has decided to stop using leather material, both in cases or in other accessories such as the Apple Watch straps. So this type of case is here to replace the old leather ones. If you still want to buy a leather case, you need to have a third-party case. Let's open this up. The packaging is always extremely well made by Apple. The case looks weird. It feels like a suede material, but it sounds like nylon sometimes. The looks is really great though. It looks beautiful, and you can get used to it with time. I think it looks good. Nothing special in the package, of course. Just some more paperwork there. We don't need that. Let's see the case. Let's put it on the phone. It fits really well. So nice. It feels great in the hand. The buttons are so clicky. They feel great, just like any other Apple case. No difference there. The material around the phone has a leather-like feel. It's not leather, of course, but it gives that impression. That's nice. This taupe color is really interesting. It looks nice with a natural titanium color. So if you want to buy this case, I would certainly recommend this color. Of course, we will keep testing the new case to see if it's durable or if it's easy to pick up scuffs and stains. Thank you for watching this video. Consider